We are inside the Paris airport. This is after the customs check. It's a small, relatively a small airport, not big and huge like other international airports. There are some shops here, cosmetic wires like a fragrance and things like that. France is famous for perfumes, so you can find perfumes here, and also female cosmetics basically. So I have to find the gate number 30. Some shops on the left, glass wires. Gate number 30 is on that way, maybe this way. Quite not sure. Okay, that way. So the decoration in the roof, in the ceiling, you can see. Upper deck, upper floor has McDonald's and a Starbucks, things like that. Okay, I came in the middle section of the airport where there are some goodies they are selling. As usual, perfumes and things like that, and restaurants. You can find restaurants are upstairs. So I saw there is somewhere. It's a small airport. Asian restaurants upstairs. If you are into Asian cuisine, maybe you have to check out upstairs. So there are basically only 2 floors in this airport. The first floor is the gates, and the second floor restaurants, lounges, things like that, I suppose. On the first floor you have shops and things like that, goodies. Okay, here seems like just one restaurant with different options. Maybe you can order. So just one restaurant with Japanese food. Yeah, they're selling Japanese food, Japanese beer. So a small. Okay, I think I got it now. So upper area, a little bit of relaxed restaurant area. You can order food here, Japanese food, and sit and relax with your food. That's all, and it's not that big. It's not quite busy today. Yeah, that's all. So quite a small airport. Only 3 terminals, I suppose, and some 40 gates. And then we can see the lounge and sitting area. Yeah, you can see the lounge and sitting area. How it looks. A little bit of decoration here. You can see the power port. ATM is there. Not many restaurants, I suppose. Not many restaurants. Few souvenir shops. Not much of electronics are quite big. Only the essential stuff and cosmetics and perfumes in the airport. Gate. So these are all gates, different gates, and waiting areas for the passengers. Find also the vending machine for coffee, and if you like Gate number 32. Like I said, it's quite small airport. It's not quite huge. Show you maybe the washroom, how it looks. Drinking water inside the washroom. This is how the washroom looks. It's automatic. You don't have to touch. And you can see the individual doors. Anyway, let's move out. Yeah, that's all. I think there's not much here in this airport. Quite small airport. I just show you the other side a little bit. On the left you can see the planes and gate. So gate number, yeah, that's all I think. It's not much actually. In the center you have some shops, clothing shops as well. If you are into clothing, not quite sure the price range in the clothing shop. And again, perfume shop, perfume and handbags. Clothing, handbag shops. That's how the style. Then you can have, also have sitting area for laptops. So these are for laptop bench tops. If you come to Paris, yeah. So here as well. In terms of the restaurants, the options are very limited. You can only find McDonald's or Starbucks, but few clothing shops here and there. ATMs. And I show you the other side, the airport. What time is it now? Sensitive, quite sensitive area. And again, here you have public sitting gallery type, a small where people can sit together for watching on big screen, the news, things like that. Or you have this type of seating gaming area. Okay, you want to play game in the airport, you can play PlayStation, a game like that. You have gaming area as well in this airport. You can play games. Excuse me, what time is it now? What time is it now? 11? Thank you. So it's 11 o'clock. Okay, gaming area. So here are some PlayStation, actually quite few. So while you're waiting for the plane, you can play some games here. I don't know whether you have to pay for it or it's free. I suppose it's free because I don't see any coining system here. It's quite good, something different from other airports. Yeah, you can see the seating area. Every sitting area got a power plug, USB port and power, which is quite nice about this airport. Beside every seat there is a port. Photo booth if you want to take a selfie photo or something like that. Even here, yeah, there are plenty of power outlets, so you won't have problems finding a power outlet in this airport. They're quite, you can see even this each seat got basically a power. These are for laptops sharing. So there are not many gates as you can see, but they are all side by side, quite close together. You won't have problems finding the power outlet everywhere. You don't have problems finding your gate. Just a small walking distance. Not many restaurants though, not many variety. Also washroom, not many washrooms as well. It's quite big line. Anyway, I go back, turn around. Yeah, that's all. Paris Airport. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye. Special shop here in the Paris airport is the Louis Vuitton. I don't know how do you pronounce it. It looks cool because there are some glass stripes that are rotating continuously, not continuously, from time to time, and it looks cool, really cool. So now it's stopped rotating, glass stripes, but it did rotate. So Louis Vuitton in the airport. And what they are selling? They're selling handbags, things like they used to sell. They always sell clothing, yeah, shoes, and things like that. Must be quite expensive though. And yeah, that's all. Louis Vuitton shop.